Hi crafty friends, Lace here, the Cheeky Bum, back with May's Year of Cheer Hop video. So this month for the Year of Cheer, we were focusing on shakers. So I did a live with, who was in my live this month? Was it Bethany? Shoot, I can't remember who was in the live this month with me. I think it might have been a Oh, I don't even know. One of the ladies. Isn't that crazy that it was only a couple weeks ago, but it seems like a lifetime ago. But anyway, I focused on these poinsettia shakers. So this is what we have here. But I wanted to challenge myself a little bit and do something that wasn't necessarily Christmas, but turn it into Christmas. So, and this, I was kind of going through dyes and stuff. And in this month's, in the May Scrap Diva release, we got this peace sign like flower album. It's a peace sign mini album. And we also got these retro shaker keychains. And what I decided to do is just focus on the peace sign and kind of do like a peace on earth. So I didn't take the flower, the outer layer. I just did the peace sign and I turned it into a little card. I can put whatever kind of saying I want on the inside, and I just kind of zhuzhed it up and I have a cute little peace sign shaker card. And then I also have a little gift tag that will match with it. So when I go to gift this, I'll have a cute little card. I'll probably have to make like a 3D envelope for it, and then I'll have a cute little gift tag that I can put to and from on the back, and it just matches. And I thought that it turned out really, really cute. I'm just doing a project share for this month. If you really want to see me turn these into like shakers, I'm more than welcome to sit down and share that process with you. But I think there's so many videos out there, like tutorials on like shakers, like Shaker 101. I know that Bethany, your crafty BFF, has at least one, if not two, shaker videos that just really focuses on shakers and, you know, her favorite way of making them and stuff. The only helpful hint that I will give you that I do is I don't bother to cut my acetate with my die cut machine. What I do is when I figure out my frame, whatever, you know, your frame is, I cut that out and I glue that right onto the acetate and I just cut around it. Like these ones are super simple because they're circles. The flowers were a little more difficult, but you get the concept. I find that the easiest way for me, just because acetate never cuts great for me. I do have the precision plate that works, but it's still also like when you're die cutting acetate, it just never wants to lay flat, or if it has a stitched edge, it doesn't always want to get that nice adhesion. Or for me, maybe it could just be a me problem. It could just be a me problem. But I prefer to just cut out my frame and glue that right onto the acetate. And that way the acetate is flat. I never have a problem with it. So that is usually what I do. So yes, so that is my hop little process. It was not even process. I'm just doing a project share, and I'm really sorry. Usually I try to do a tutorial or a craft with me or something like that. But this month I'm still playing catch up, and I almost caught up, and it will be a little easier next month. I think next month is Memdex and ATCs, I believe. So that'll be fun. I'll put I have a Year of Cheer playlist. I'll put that down below. I also have some of the lives that we've done that you're more than welcome to come watch, where we do a little bit more of a craft with me, where we give helpful hints and, you know, products we like and stuff like that. And I'll also list all of the other girls that are participating in Year of Cheer along with me. I'll link all those ladies down below so you can check out their videos as well. And yes, please let me know if you have any questions. I will link the products I use down below, along with the acetate and the dyes. Paper is just random paper I pulled out of my stash. Most likely it's Park Lane, which is not going to be available anymore, so I'm not going to link that. But if you have any questions, please let me know below and I will answer anything I can. But please share the love. It is getting like, it is now like June. It's June 1st today, even though this is May's Year of Cheer. So we're getting really close to Christmas in July. So I will try to probably do more Christmassy Year of Cheer stuff in the next couple months for like that Christmas in July kind of push. I don't know if anybody's having any swaps. I haven't seen any Christmas in July swaps pop up yet, but there's always usually something. But I'm pleasantly pleased I'm slowly really getting a good foundation for my Christmas crafts. Like I have some shakers, I have flowers, I have tags. I've created a lot so far so that when Christmas comes along and we participate in swaps, it's going to be so much easier for me. Like I will have to, of course, craft certain things, but I have a lot of like key elements that I can be just putting on whatever I'm making, and it will make my life so much easier because we all know that Christmas crafting is hectic when you are busy, you have family in town, but you want to participate. So that is it. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I will see you next video. Bye guys.